Hello dear friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and another video about Squarespace. Today's video, I show you how to create a cool menu folder drop-down effect, that highlights the folder navigation items on hover, and changes their color in Squarespace 7.1 website. You'll learn some creative codes, that you can use to change the look of your drop-down folder menu in your Squarespace. There is more than one way to code a site, this is just my version. CSS changes the look of a site but not the way it works. This code won't break your site, and if you don't like the look of it, just delete it and everything will go back to normal. So, check this video step by step until the end. Okay, let's start this video. In the tutorial to Stylized folder drop-down menu in Squarespace, I need to make sure you understand this tutorial is for the latest version of Squarespace, known as 7.1. If you're using an older site, like a site built on a brine theme template in Squarespace 7, I have a completely different tutorial for you. Because the codes you need are completely different codes. But if you're on the latest version of Squarespace 7.1, you're in the right place. Here is the CSS code to change the style of the entire content folder. Styles that we can edit: background color, background gradient, border radius, text align, border, box shadow, and sharing. Then we can also change the text of folder content with the following CSS code. We're going to try adding styles, a bottom border, and a bottom padding. We'll also add a hover over the text of folder content, adjusting the available styles. Don't forget, the CSS code, you can have on description below. Okay, let's try custom CSS. First we need to go to the design page. Select Custom CSS. First, we will try to edit the whole folder box. Copy and paste CSS code. In the Style section, enter the available styles. Copy and paste background color style. Okay, the background color has changed to green. Let's try to change the color to yellow. Then the background color will change to yellow. Next we will change the background to a gradient color. Copy-paste the CSS code. The background color will change to blue and pink, from top to bottom. We try to edit the position of the gradient, it becomes to top. Then the gradient direction will change. Then, we'll add a border radius of 10 pixels. The content folder will show a border radius of 10 pixels. Adjust the size as desired. Next, we add the text align center. Then all the text will be in the center. We're going to change it back to the left. Then, on the outside of the box, we'll add a border. A pink border with a thickness of 0.5 will appear. To make it clearer, try to increase the thickness. Customize your wish. We can also add shadow outside the box. Copy-paste code. Then the shadow will appear on the outside of the box. You can adjust the direction and color as you wish. And lastly, we'll adjust the padding. Padding is the distance between the box and the text bar. Adjust the padding size of top, button, left, and right, by adding size to the padding. Next, we will try to edit this text folder content. Copy-paste the CSS code. In the Style section, input the available styles. First, we're going to try adding a bottom border. The border will appear at the bottom of each text bar. We can change the line thickness, line type, and color. Then, we will add padding bottom to the text folder content. Padding bottom will appear between the line and the text. Adjust padding size. Then, we try to add a top padding to make it look more balanced. And lastly, we will try to add hover to the text folder. Copy-paste the CSS code. Here we will add the background color. Then, hover will appear in every text folder. Let's try to adjust the hover color to the line color. After that, we will try to add it. Padding left on the hover. Then, the padding left of the text will change when hovered. To slow down the hover transition, we can add a transition style and transition duration. Then the duration of the hover transition will be slower. Okay, we've done it. Stylized folder drop-down menu in Squarespace. You can customize the CSS code in the description below, as you wish. If you have recommended CSS style to beautify the drop-down menu, you can share with us in the comment section. Okay my friend, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get more information about Blogger. See you on next video.